God knows. The eagle, the eagle. Hey girl, let me tell you about your best friend. Me want you know about your best friend. Well on there, every day we have a conversation and mention your best friend. How she get me number, me no know, but if you ever read the text them. I know if girl want me, but this could be your best friend. If you see her what she want do to me, I swear I wanna be ex them. Hey, me know say you a go fight. If you know where me was last night. Me one day if I set, I set up the thing or she really want fuck me fist fight. God know it look like she want take a position the way how she deal with the vibe. She a do things and I do. Your best friend want take your stride. If I ever see the position where your man in with your best friend, and the way how she deal with the cocky, she couldn't be your best friend. The style them where your friend give me, God know me never get them. Me never see two legs, so I like her every she a send them. God know, I never really know where me want do me baby, so trust me. Me know say me fuck with your mess, but me tell you so don't cost me. Me wonder if I tell her me weak spot, cause I right that she touch me. Me try if you hold it, but anxiety go cost me. Me tell you still, your friend cool like ice. Look where she come sit down in her tights. I not like she no know say I'm me a your man. Me a look cause nothing no do me eye. I not like me a chat where she do but believe when me tell her say that girl you no nice. When me tell you no surprise, last year she fucked me for your birthday twice. Believe me. If I ever see the position where your man in with your best friend, God know, and the way how she deal with the cocky, she couldn't be your best friend. The style them where your friend give me, God know me never get them. Me never see two legs, so I like her every she a send them. God knows, every day we have a conversation and mention your best friend. How she get me number, me no know, but if you ever read the text them. I know if girl want me, but this could be your best friend. If I see her what she want do to me, I swear I wanna be ex them. Hey, me know say you a go fight. If you know where me was last night. Me one day if I set, I set up the thing or she really want fuck me fist fight. God know it look like she want take a position the way how she deal with the vibe. She a do things and I do. Your best friend want take your stride. If I ever see the position where your man in with your best friend, and the way how she deal with the cocky, she couldn't be your best friend. The style them where your friend give me, God know me never get them. Me never see